Hello everyone, today I will show you how to delete Instagram history. And here's how it's done. Tap the search icon at the bottom. Tap the search bar at the top to view recent searches. To remove a single item, tap the X next to it. To clear all searches, tap See All and then Clear All. Confirm by tapping Clear All again. To delete watch reels and video activity, go to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right. Tap the three lines in the top right, then select your activity. Here, you can manage different types of activity. To remove like videos or posts, tap Likes, choose a post, and tap the heart icon to unlike it. To delete comments you have made, tap Comments. Select a comment, tap and hold it, then choose Delete. Note, Instagram doesn't show a full list of watch reels or videos, but unliking and deleting comments helps reduce your visible activity history. And that is everything you need to know about how to delete Instagram history. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.